most solid, dependable, and courageous Marine we've ever known. Blink of an eye. Gone. Now it's down to me, and me alone, to lead these men, my brothers, safely through this campaign. AA fire from Peleliu Airfield is knocking our planes right out of the sky. Taking this airfield is our only priority, whatever the cost.
So, what now?
Tojo's got a tight hold on pretty much everything to the west. Direct route runs right into the Japanese guns. We take the flank. It might get us wet, but it's not gonna get us killed. We regroup with the 5th when we're through the swamp. Stay sharp.
Poor bastard must have been shot down this morning.
Fuselage is still smoking. Check for survivors.
It's all snarled up on something. Shit! Grenade!
This'll take him off! Ambush!
Trap!
Trap are dead. Got a damn ambush!
All around!
Keep it tight!
Tango Helga!
I think we're kinda late. Sounds like the 5th's kicking ass.
MG's in the bunkers up ahead! Ambu artillery sits right in front of it! Private!
On me!
Get a grenade up there! Everyone move! Go! Go!
Take that position!
airfield's about half a mile north.
Oh, shit! Bastards just took down another one!
Keep pushing. Every plane we lose makes our job harder.
Yakko-san!
Over there!
Over there! Up the tree!
They were just waiting for us!
Enemies hold up in that building!
God! Enemy machine gun!
What's the skinny?
North! They're trying to get their tanks onto the airfield, but it's a nightmare over there!
Tojo's holding tight! We're pinned down by the MG fire from the second floor!
Any ideas, Sergeant?
Yeah! It's a black truck, dead ahead. Miller, Polanski, follow me! Miller! Load up those rifle grenades and blow that damn bird off its perch!
Hell yeah!
airfield.
Hey! This ain't gonna be easy.
It never is, but we can do this, Polanski, okay?
This ain't gonna be easy.
It never is, but we can do this, Polanski, okay? Stay with our tanks. Help them move up. work, Marines. Let's give Major Gordon the good news.
Bastards nearly had us.
The airfield has been held.
whatever it takes.
The airfield
Oh, shit!
has been held.
Sarge! We got a problem!
Sir, Japanese reinforcements coming in north of the airfield. Request immediate air support. Yes, sir, understood. Everyone take position. Eyes forward. Stay strong. We are holding this airfield.
More reinforcements!
Infantry under trust.
Where the hell did those reinforcements come from? Bring up the tanks!
Miller, get on that triple 25.
It's a whole damn convoy!
Yes, sir. The airfield has been held. Repeat, the airfield has been held.
The rotten cancer of the Fascist Reich ravages Europe like a plague. Their relentless drive into our motherland steals the lives of men, women, and children alike. The arrogance of their leaders is matched only by the brutality of their soldiers. These are the darkest days of the Nazi occupation of Stalingrad. I need your help. Do what I say, and we can avenge this massacre. My injured hand means I can no longer car is General Heinrich Amsel, architect of Stalingrad's misery. He is responsible for the cold-blooded murder of men, women, and children. Not just here, but throughout the motherland. For 3 days, I have hunted him. For 3 days, luck alone has saved his wretched life. Sniping your enemy is like hunting any other animal. Fire at the wrong moment and your chance will be forever lost. Patience. If we reveal our position to Amsel's men, this fountain will be our grave. Now, load your rifle, but hold your fire. Wait until the bombers are directly overhead. The sound of the engines will drown out your shot.
Ready? Shoot now! Aha! Again! Strike ahead! Watch out! The dog!
Your aim is good, comrade. Time to close in for the kill. This way. Idiots. Armored patrol. We must find another route to Amsel. Stay low and follow me. This way, before they discover the dead. For days, I have crept through shadows like a rat. This place once echoed with conversations of friends and lovers. No longer. Mark my words, comrade. One day things will change. We will take the fight to their land, to their people, to their blood. This way. Knowing the routines and movements of your prey tips the balance of a hunt. General Amsel is a creature of habit. He inspects each German garrison every day. We can use this building to flank his route.
Sniper! Get inside now! Son's almost got me. We'll have to flush him out before we move on. Follow me! The shot came from across the river. There! The building with the banners!
Now the game is cat and mouse. I will draw his fire. Keep your eyes open for the flag.
Ready? Now! Second floor down! Left side! I'm going to draw his fire again. Get ready to take him out. Did you see him? He knows exactly where we are. I cannot risk it again. It's up to you to find him now. Stay out of the light. He fires. Move. He has you beat. You need to take a different position. piece of cover! You need to take a different position. The patrols will surely have heard those shots. We need to get moving. Shh! German patrol. Let them pass. They found us! We need to leave now! Hit the floor! They are trying to burn us up! Stay low! Try not to breathe! They are surrounding the building!
Der mit dem Flammenwerfer verbrennt diese Russenschweine.
Dimitri, we thought you were among the dead in the massacre at the square.
He was. Among them, but not one of them.
We're about to assault the communication post north of here.
Good! Such a move will prevent the German command calling for help. Dimitri and I will provide cover from above. Wait till you hear the screams of dying Germans. Dimitri, this way!
This way, comrades. Take positions and wait for the signal.
Hold your fire. Do you see the flamethrowers? You must choose your moment. Exploding the fuel tank will incinerate anyone standing nearby. Quickly, shoot the fuel tank. Take the shot, Dimitri.
Excellent aim, Dimitri! Give covering fire to our comrades below! Another flamethrower! Throw it Our comrades are clearing the building! Watch your fire! They have taken the communication post! Amsel will try to run! Quickly, we must cut off his escape route! Dead ahead!
Sowjetische Truppen!
Follow me! I know a perfect sniping position, overlooking the command post. Hold fire! We are too close to our goal to reveal our position. There is nothing we can do for our comrades. Their sacrifice will not go unavenged. The death of General Amsel will be just the beginning. Look ahead! The building adorned with flags is the German command post. General Amsel will soon be in our cells. The sounds of battle will flush him out. Coward! There he is! See him! He's not alone. With a bullet in his bodyguard's head. Amsel is using the destroyed tank for cover. You are a true mark! They will be coming for us! We must go! Quickly! Before they turn fire again! Into the river, Dimitri! It's our only chance! Go!
The Red Army's advance into Germany is swift and brutal. In mere months, we have reached Silo Heights, the last line of defense before the German capital. We outnumber the Germans 10 to 1. Wave upon wave of our infantry are unleashed upon them to clear the way for our armor. Once we have control of Silo, we will begin the march to Berlin. There, we will ensure that every sacrifice is repaid in blood.
Tot stinken sie noch erbärmlicher. Kommt, lasst uns hier verschwinden, bevor sie nochmal angreifen.
Töten wir sie. Genau wie diese dreckigen Schweine.